Why some systems never evolve. No matter what you do, you can push harder, change strategy, replace people, and still, nothing really changes. Some systems don't resist evolution. They simply never evolve. You've seen this before. An organization tries to improve. New leadership comes in. Processes are updated. For a moment, it looks different. Then slowly, everything settles back. Same decisions, same problems, same outcomes. Most people explain this in simple ways. We didn't do enough. We need better people. We need stronger execution. So they push harder, more effort, more control, more pressure. But the system doesn't change, because the issue isn't effort, it's capacity. Every system operates within a certain level of understanding priorities, ways of making decisions. That level defines what the system can process, and what it simply cannot. If you introduce change that requires different thinking, different values, a different way of seeing the system, but the system isn't operating at that level, it won't transform. It will translate the change into something it already understands. This is why change often feels real at first. New language, new structures, new intentions, but underneath, the system stays the same, because it reshapes everything to fit its current level. You're not failing to change the system. You're trying to change it from outside what it can currently become. And that's a different problem. Systems don't evolve through pressure. They evolve when their way of seeing the world changes. When new patterns become visible, different priorities start to matter. The system begins to process reality differently. That's when evolution becomes possible. Some systems don't change, not because they resist, but because they haven't reached the point where change makes sense yet. And once you see that, you stop pushing harder and start looking deeper. If you want to understand how systems actually evolve and why they don't, subscribe.